Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello and welcome to the 174th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. Salesian sisters conclude year-long celebrations marking 100 years. Skill training offered free to 130 displaced Manipuri youth. College receives state's higher education award. Salesian gets prestigious Teachers Award. Catechists go on study trip to South Korea. Mission batch has 13 members from 8 provinces of Asia Pacific region. Regional bishops pay tribute to venerable founder bishop. Youth leaders and animators formation held. The news in detail. India Salesian sisters conclude year-long celebrations marking 100 years. Sister Eugenia Lalu reports from Shillong.
The FMA Centenary celebration, which opened last year in Chennai, concluded with the celebrations in Shillong on 10 September 2023. Archbishop Victor Lingdo of Shillong presided over the closing Eucharist. Bishop Lumen Montero of Tripura, Auxiliary Bishop George Chirakal of Tura, and 30 concelebrants. The afternoon program consisted of the release of history books of South and Northern India, education guidelines for the province, a collection of success stories of over 100 past pupils entitled From Foundations to Heights, inauguration of the digital archive of the province, and felicitations of centenary committees. A musical performance entitled A Tribute of Love showcased the journey and history of the 6 pioneers in Northeast India, celebrating the mission, the sacrifice, the joy, and the faith of the pioneers. The chief guest for the occasion was the FMA Superior General, Mother Kiara Katswala. Guests of honor included Cabinet Minister of Meghalaya State, Mrs. Maisel Amperin Lingdo, 3 general councillors from Rome, 7 provincials of India, and 2 provincials from East Asia region. Present on the occasion were government officials, civil authorities, sisters, invitees, Salesian cooperators, past pupils, and some 700 youth from all 7 provinces.
Sister Eugenia Lalu reporting. Child-friendly schools put children at the center of learning and engage them in play learning. Experts say children learn through example. Studies show that children pick up values of love, kindness, helpfulness, compassion, and acceptance of each other, not by hearing, but by seeing. Church Art Kolkata's Children series offer life-size statues and attractive murals of children in various learning, sharing, helping, and playful situations. These will inspire in children values of love, cooperation, kindness, and gentleness. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil at churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp or Telegram at country code 919831020945. India skill training offered free to 130 displaced Manipuri youth. Ms. Pinky Sarkar reports from Guwahati.
In the wake of ongoing violence in Manipur, which started on 3rd May 2023, in which over 100 people lost their lives and some 60,000 people left homeless, Guwahati Salesians are giving free shelter and training to 130 displaced youth of Manipur. Youth with a minimum qualification of grade 8 pass and above 18 years of age have started training since August in group counseling, hospitality, beauty and spa, computer applications, spoken English, refurbish, as well as refrigeration, air conditioner, and washing machine maintenance. At the end of 2 months of training, job placements are assured. This is a joint project done in collaboration with Bangalore-based Functional Vocational Training and Research Society, promoting vocational skill training since 1993.
Ms. Pinky Sarkar reporting. India College receives State's Higher Education Award. Mr. John Brito reports from Maram.
Bosco College Autonomous in Maram, Manipur has been awarded the prestigious State-Level College Award 2023 on 5th September by Higher Education Department of the Government of Manipur. The award was presented to Principal Dr. K.O. Sebastian on the occasion of Teachers' Day by the Honorable Sri T.H. Basantakumar Singh, Minister of Education of Manipur. Bosco College Maram, established in 2000 in Maram, Senapati district of Manipur, offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses.
Mr. John Brito reporting. India Salesian gets prestigious Teachers Award. Mr. Mervyn Joy reports from Chennai.
The Department of Education in Tamil Nadu State awarded the prestigious Dr. Radhakrishnan State Award for the Best Teacher to Headmaster of St. Mary's Anglo-Indian High Secondary School in Chennai, Father Dr. Thomas Marieraj, on 5th September 2023 on the occasion of Teachers' Day. The award is a recognition of Father Dr. Thomas Marieraj's exceptional dedication and contribution to the education in the state. His innovative teaching methods and commitment to students have made a significant impact. The award was presented by Mr. Anbil Magish Poyamoli, the Tamil Nadu State Minister of Education, who emphasized the importance of educators in shaping the future.
Mr. Mervyn Joy reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Thailand catechists make study trip to South Korea. Delegate of Catechetical Commission, Father Sufod Ryungam Dominic Savio reports from Bangkok.
31 religious and catechism teachers affiliated to the Salesian family of Thailand went on a 6-day catechetical study trip to South Korea from 2nd to 7th September 2023. An initiative of the coordinator of the Committee of Catechetical Instruction in the Salesian family, the trip was part of the catechetical development of the catechism teachers. The participants included 14 Salesians and lay catechism teachers, 6 Salesian sisters and lay catechism teachers, 4 sisters from the Sister Servants of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, 3 from the Institute of the Daughters of the Queenship of Mary, 2 sisters of the Queenship of Mary Immaculate, and 2 women volunteers of Don Bosco. As guests of Salesian Provincial of South Korea, the group visited Catechetical Training Center and Kindergarten School of Caritas Sisters, Notre Dame Institute for Practical Catechesis in Seoul, Catholic Catechetical Institute of Seoul, Teenage Ministry Section of Seoul Archdiocese, Spiritual Life Ministry Center, and Kindergarten of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians and Don Bosco Youth Center. The group also made a pilgrimage to the Cathedral of Seoul and to the Shrine of the Martyrs of Seoul, Seo Sumun.
Father Sufod Ryungam Dominic Savio reporting. Italy 154th Mission Batch has 13 members from 8 provinces of Asia-Pacific region. Father George Kujur reports from Becky.
Out of 24 Salesians of 154th Mission Batch who will be commissioned on 24th September 2023, 13 members are from 8 provinces of South Asia and East Asia Oceania region. There are 6 confreres from 5 provinces of South Asia and 7 Salesians from 3 provinces of East Asia Oceania. After a period of intense formation in Rome, The group is currently at College Don Bosco Becky since 2nd September.
Father George Kujur reporting. India regional bishops pay tribute to venerable founder bishop. Sister V.G. John reports from Guwahati.
The bishops of Northeast India, along with several priests, paid a floral tribute to Venerable Bishop Stephen Ferrando, the founder of Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians in Guwahati, at the Generalate, to mark the centenary year of his priestly ordination and his arrival to India. The event, held on 11th September, was marked with a solemn Eucharistic celebration presided over by Archbishop John Mulachira of Guwahati. The Superior General, Sister Philomena Matthew, provincials, sisters and novices welcomed the bishops with the traditional full and gamosa and with a token of appreciation for their allegiance and collaboration.
Sister V.G. John reporting. India Youth Leaders and Animators Formation held. Brother Roshan Eka reports from Kolkata.
Kolkata Province organized 4th edition of Leaders and Animators Formation Program for Central Zone provinces of Kolkata, Delhi and Hyderabad from 8th to 10th September 2023 at Nitika Don Bosco Catechetical and Media Center, Kolkata. There were 90 participants, including 10 priests, a Salesian sister, a Salesian brother, and 4 participants of World Youth Day. Presiding at the inaugural Eucharist Provincial of Kolkata, Father Joseph Pauria invited participants to focus on the dimension of Salesian spirituality, the Salesian presence, highlighting Salesian social experience dimension. National Youth Delegate Father Patrick Lepcha spoke on the Salesian youth movement. Other topics included Learning to Lead like Don Bosco by Father Sunil Kerketa, Youth and Media by Mr. Vikas Daga, Listening to the Voice of God by Father Vijay Ghosh, Youth a Peace Builder by Father George Erwa, Faith Formation by Father Kumodo Diggle, and Salesian Youth Spirituality by Father Deepak Kindo. At session intervals, the World Youth Day participants from each province shared their experiences.
Brother Roshan Eka reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.